In this video, we're going to review lines, and remember when we're dealing with lines, we can usually use decimals. So this first question asks for which one of these graphs represents this function, so I'm going to go ahead and type that in. Okay, so then the picture that looks most like that is D, so that's our answer here. Question number 2 asks for the slope. That tells me rise over run, so I need to go put this function in and find my rise over run. Okay, so I'm going to start here, and the next corner I see is right here, so I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. So I went 4 over 1, which simplifies to 4. So my slope of this line is 4. Again, this question is asking for the slope, so I'm going to have to go put these in and count my rise over run. Remember, with points, we have to put them in individually. Now, if it's asking for the slope, we can just put in the points, because that's all we're looking for is 2 points. When we get to the next question, when it's talking about equations of lines, we're going to have to put them in as a table. So we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and over 1, 2, 3, 4. So our slope here is 6 over 4. But then we need to simplify that, and it simplifies to 3 over 2. And we can simplify that using the calculator. Alright, so this is the example where I was talking about. It's asking for the equation of the line, which is the whole thing, not just the slope. So I'm going to put this in actually as a table. The table is the only way I can find equation of a line. So I'm going to put this in as -3, 5. And 1, -3. Okay, now I can find the equation of the line by doing y1 tilde mx1 plus b. See how the line is going through both points? That means I did it correctly. So my m is -2 and my b is -1. That means my equation of the line is y equals -2x minus 1. That's my equation of this line. Alright, so this gives me a graph of this picture, and it says they want to go up 2 units. So if I'm going up 2, I start at the 1, and I will go up 3, up 2, and it would stop at 3. So then my new equation would be y equals -3 over 4, we keep the same slope, x, and then plus 3. So then the last question on this is find the slope of this line. So again, we're going to be looking for rise over run. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Okay, so I'm going to start here and go to here because those are both whole numbers. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, and over 1, 2, 3. So we went down 2, so -2 over 3. That does not simplify, so we leave it as -2 over 3.